Before you start meditating to make things happen in your life, first, think about what you really want to achieve. Picture this goal regularly in your mind, and it will make your efforts more effective. When you're ready to meditate, find a comfortable position and take a deep breath. Hold it for a few seconds, then let it out slowly. Do this a couple more times, tensing your body as you breathe in and relaxing as you breathe out. Take a moment to feel calm and centered inside yourself. As you lie down or sit, picture your goal in your mind. Imagine it clearly, like a vivid movie of what you desire. Then, imagine yourself inside the scene, fully present, as if it's happening right now. See your goal happening around you and inside you, as if it's already come true in your life. Look at your surroundings with fresh eyes and feel the new reality you're envisioning. Notice how your body feels, what emotions you're feeling, and any changes you see in the world around you. Experience the amazing feeling of this new reality. Notice what's going on, how you're feeling, being, and thinking. Look around at your world. Take a moment to fully embrace your goal and the happiness it brings. Let these positive feelings spread throughout your body, filling you with a warm, glowing sensation. Every time you feel these happy feelings, it's like you're signing an agreement with the universe saying that your goal will come true. When this positive energy becomes a part of you, feel the calm happiness of knowing that what you want is on its way at just the right time. It's finished. Now you can relax and believe. You have plenty, you're strong, and you're amazing. As we finish this meditation, pause and feel thankful that your new goal has come true in your life. Thank you for this moment. When you're ready, be fully aware of your body and gently open your eyes.